2021 Ford Mustang GT 5.0. It's got long tube headers on it right now with a double H pipe and straight pipes. We're gonna install some Valvetronic mufflers on it in a second. Here's what it sounds like before. '89 at idle. Go ahead and rev it. Here's sound decibels. One more. 125. So we're going to tone it down with some Valvetronic mufflers. We're going to show you the undercarriage in a second. Stay tuned, guys. 2021 Ford Mustang GT. Show car for a veterans charity that supports PTSD and suicide awareness. We're proud to be sponsoring this vehicle for them. I'm going to show you guys how it looks like before. It has long tube headers right there and right there. High flow cats into a double H pipe. I was wrong. It wasn't completely straight pipe. It has these two small vibrant bottle resonators that we're going to cut out and replace with 3-inch pipe. Already has a muffler delete right there into big dual black exhaust tips. And we're going to install Valvetronics in their place so we can have a little bit more control over the sound so it's not loud 24/7. Right there. There's the Valvetronics we're going to install. Be sure to check them out on our website, guys, at exhaustaddicts.com. You can find all Valvetronic products and check them out on their own website. They're great to work with. Great team. Always supports veterans. Thank you, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
So guys, we partnered up. We did a sponsorship for his Mustang. It's called Old Glory. It's sponsored by a bunch of places. You can see it's custom wrapped, really beautiful car. If you guys want to scan here, so you can pause it and scan. If you want to donate to the cause, this is a 2021 Ford Mustang to support PTSD and suicide awareness. So there's some of the sponsors. We're one of the sponsors. We're going to put them some Valvetronic mufflers and tips on this beautiful vehicle and take this all off, as you guys can see. And we're going to take the vibrants off to give it some nice sound to support the cause. Okay, guys? So we're proud sponsors of it. As you guys can see, it's going to be all over the nation. Really nice car. I love the wrap on it. Hey, this is for you, Austin. So Austin from Valvetronics Designs is going to donate 4 tips for the cause too, for Old Glory. There they are. Black chrome. That's what they look like. That's what the tip's going to look like. Valvetronic tips. So there they are. They're going to look better, more uniform than the PPE. They're nice tips, but these are better. It flows better with the rest of the system. Guys, Old Glory, we just did a mid-delete on it. That's where the vibrants were. So we cleaned it up for him, took that off. Still got the H-pipe, high flow cats, and long tube headers. And it's straight piped out the back. But here we go. Let's hear what she sounds like now without the vibrant resonators. So at idle, it's at 100. Sorry. Go ahead. Again. It's still at 120 if you need. One more. Almost there, Ed. Almost. Damn it. We wanted it to beep, but it stopped. One more. It's not doing it, but it's close. I'm gonna take these off next because it's too loud. His wife doesn't like it, and she goes to the shows with him. So we gotta at least hook him up with 2 Valvetronics mufflers. They sponsored them and helped them out. So there's the 2 mufflers, single in, dual out Valvetronics. And then he brought his own tips, but I said, no, man, we got to hook you up even more. So we gave him a whole set of tips too, Valvetronic tips, black ones, to complete the look of the Valvetronic system. So there they are. Stay tuned. So guys, this is a very special Mustang. It's for PTSD and veterans and suicide prevention, guys. It's called Old Glory. We sponsored all the install of the exhaust on it for him. And you'll see our sticker on the back window. But this guy is a really nice guy. He's doing all this for charity. So please, guys, if you can go support him, I'll give you guys a link where you guys can donate and all that good stuff, okay? The wrap was donated. The wheels were donated. Everything was donated to the cause. And we did our part too. So we want to always, and he's a veteran too, so we really appreciate his service. And we appreciate that he's really doing all this for our veterans and PTSD awareness and suicide prevention. Look at Jared, all purdy.
Hey, I mean, my dad was a military veteran, so I get it.
So he gets it. Yes. All right. So let me show you guys what's been done to it. These headers been donated. There's the high flow cats, H-pipe. Instead of the vibrants, we put pipe because he wanted it louder. So that's what we did. And then we took out the straight pipes that were out on the back and installed Valvetronic design mufflers there and right there, as you guys can see. And then we also donated to the cause some Valvetronic tips to finish the look, make sure everything matches up, as you guys can see. And the name of it is Old Glory, and she does look like sick. It's a beautiful, beautiful build, beautiful wrap, just beautifully done. All right? So anyways, we're going to let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll put all the charities that he has in the description. He's like, I'm going to put you guys' logo before I even come down. So it was really cool of him to put the logo right in the center for us. And it was Ultimate Headers that donated the headers. Extreme Auto Lighting has Underglow. Seen and Heard Electronics for the emergency vehicle upfitting. Northway Performance. And Ford Performance, of course. But check it out. It's really clean build. There's a Valvetronics. This is where you guys can donate if you want to donate to the cause. Just scan that and donate. Really beautiful build. There it is. Old Glory. American flag on top. That's clean. It's sick build. Purple Heart Foundation. He's got over 10 foundations and sponsors. Michelin wheels. Just a good looking rack. Here we go. 2021 Mustang. Long tube headers by Ultimate Headers. Full catback system 3-inch. And with an H-pipe and Valvetronic design mufflers. With Valvetronic dual outlet tips on each side. Quads. Right there and right there. Here we go. Go ahead. So this is with valves closed. Valves closed. Right at 81. Go ahead and give it gas. It still sounds good, but it's just deep. You know, it's quieter. Again. That's perfect for this car. Again. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. So it's a lot better than it used to be because it was 128 before. Go ahead and open the valves now. That was valves closed. So now this is valves open, guys. Go ahead. Oh, it's better. Back to what you're used to. You can have the best of both worlds, you know? Give it gas. Oh, that's sick. Again. Yes. One more. Wow. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. So it's still loud, bro. That's good. That's what you want. 125. Go ahead. 126. That's awesome. One more. Let's see if it gets any higher. Yeah, 126 is the highest. Perfect. Again, guys, go support his cause for awareness, okay? Back it up. If you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee, right down the street from Skyline Hospital on Dickerson Pike. This is our beautiful shop right here. Come and see us. There's this beautiful car, all nice and done. And again, if you want to support the cause, guys, you want to donate today, just hit that QR code. Again. I love the color of the wheels too. They're badass. Love the staggered look. All right, close them. This is closed now. Go ahead. This is valves closed outside. That's perfect. So it's like 90 when it's cold and 126 when it's open, which is awesome. There it is. And it's all its glory. That's a cool looking car. I love it. Let you guys hear it on the inside.
This is with valves closed. This is with valves open.
So this is valves open. Wow, beast mode. That sounds phenomenal, even in the rain. I wish it wasn't raining, guys, but you can still hear it all the way down there. It hit 126 earlier, which is insane on the sound decibel. He'll be back and we'll do a second pull with it closed. Stay tuned. There's your pull you guys wanted. Beautiful. Here we go. This is valves closed, guys. Round 2, pull off number 2. Here we go. Only at Exhaust Addicts, guys. We love our veterans. Always take care of them. And you guys can see that the valves are closed. Here we go. So that's what it sounds like with valves closed. It's like stock. Wow. Can't even hear it. I love it. That is so perfect. What do you guys think of the sound? Let me know. And again, support the cause, guys. That's valves closed, guys. In the rain.